Welcome to Day 7 of the 60-Day AMA program. Here are the highlights from the session. Today, we will highlight the BlockDAG architecture and engineering. Nick opened with this important statement on community engagement, emphasizing a coherent narrative for upcoming developments. Focusing on tokenomics, paving the way for a mainnet launch and token generation event, and highlights of the technological advancements of BlockDAG, emphasizing collaboration with the community rather than individual efforts. Nick said, "We have defined what it is that we are building from a Layer 1 technology solution. And I think the key here is that a number of external narratives became formed within the public or the community that didn't really reflect the actual underlying work. This work has been done, and it is well on its way, and we are very proud of what we're delivering." So in absence of that clarity, there's naturally been obviously a number of external assumptions. I just want to stress that BlockDAG is not run as a personal-driven project. It is certainly run as a partnership with the community. Engineering leadership has driven the architecture and has supported any protocol decisions and technical partnerships. Nick, can you explain why the architectural choices behind BlockDAG? BlockDAG is a deliberately chosen architectural structure aimed at enabling parallel transaction processing, enhancing security, and addressing scalability challenges faced by traditional blockchains. Unlike conventional blockchains, which sequentially process transactions leading to potential delays, BlockDAG allows multiple concurrent block production, referencing each other's histories to maintain a coherent sequence of events. It is a Layer 1 architecture, not a Layer 2 or sidechain, focused on achieving fast finality, targeting seconds rather than the lengthy delays common with other blockchains like Ethereum and Bitcoin. The primary challenge it addresses is transaction contention and the associated spikes in fees that degrade user experience during congestion. The complexity of real-world scenarios, emphasizing that they do not operate sequentially. The focus is on addressing issues related to payments, data updates, and machine-driven interactions, which occur simultaneously. The BlockDAG structure is highlighted as a solution to mirror this dynamic. What is BlockDAG doing in terms of allowing multiple blocks to exist simultaneously? I think this is, breaking new ground. There are limitations to traditional blockchains, and BlockDAG uses DAG technology, which allows multiple paths for consensus propagation among nodes. This method aggregates strength by enabling the simultaneous creation of blocks that agree on a shared history, diverging from single-chain extensions. Consensus is achieved through heavy connectivity rather than longest chain assumptions, influencing transaction finality and interaction with the Ethereum virtual machine. The product is currently live on testnet, with core transaction flows operational and ongoing refinement of tools addressing synchronization latency between the DAG and EVM. Can you comment on how BlockDAG is transitioning right now? The project is shifting from a sales-focused approach to an engineering-centered one, involving the core team and community collaboration. Success will be characterized by predictable operations and stability in our token price through exchanges and listings, as we build on sound business principles, positioning engineering as a key player in the future of Web3 and the crypto space. In addressing community concerns, it is important to acknowledge the speculation surrounding the project and that the team is actively working on delivery and accountability for the upcoming token generation event and the project's future. Community members are encouraged to evaluate the team's efforts based on delivery and emphasizing the team's dedication to building a sustainable outcome. That wraps up Day 7 highlights.